Hello, Class 5. We are back with our English grammar and composition. So, I hope you enjoyed your Diwali holidays. So, let's come back along with our grammar portion. That is, our today's topic is conjunctions. So, children, thank you so much. I have hit 1000 subscribers, and now it's a request to you all to please keep supporting your mom, and besides supporting, keep helping yourself to improve your grammar by watching the videos again and again and clear your concepts. Make my efforts successful, because if I am successful, that really means that you people have cleared your concepts. If only your concepts are clear, only then your mom is being successful. So children, my success is in your hands. If you are successful, only then I am successful. So let us begin with the topic, conjunctions. A conjunction is a joining word. So from your junior classes, from second onwards, you people are into the conjunctions. Earlier you were using the words joining words, and then you started using linkers, and now the word is conjunctions, which is actually the original grammatical word. So a conjunction is a joining word which joins two groups. It joins two words, two group of words, or the sentences also. So in the first sentence, the example has been given: cricket and tennis are my favorite games. So here the conjunction and is joining the two words, that is cricket and tennis. The second sentence: I need some colored paper and a bottle of glue. Colored paper and a bottle of glue. These are two groups of words which have been joined along with the help of the conjunction and. And in the third sentence, Mansi wrote the invitation cards and Mohit decorated the room. So here two sentences are joined with the help of conjunction and. So conjunction, they join words, group of words, as well as the sentences. So here we use and to join two words of the same part of the speech, or a noun and a pronoun, or two short sentences expressing similar ideas. So she is sincere and hardworking. So it means we are talking about the same person, two different qualities of the same person. So we are using and here. Salim and I study together. Now we are talking about two different persons but in the same context. एक ही बात के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So we are using and here. She went to the market and bought some ribbon. So the person is same but works are two. So we are using and. The other conjunction that we are going to study is about but. But is used to join contrasting words or sentences, जिसमें दो different बातें होती हैं. See, Anil is intelligent but careless. दो contrasting बातें हैं. Intelligent है लेकिन careless है. Meaning of but is लेकिन. John fell off a running bus but was not hurt. दो contrasting बातें हो गई. बस से गिर गया लेकिन उसको चोट नहीं लगी. So I hope you've understood and but. Now we will consider or. Or is the conjunction which is used whenever there is a choice. See, you should hurry up or you will miss the bus. या तो जल्दी करो या ट्रेन मिस या बस मिस हो जाएगी. ठीक है. You can have an apple or a banana. So there we have a choice. So when we have to make a choice, then we use or. Choice can be contrasting also, कि अच्छा करो या बुरा करो. See, you should hurry up, या तो जल्दी जल्दी चलो या बुरा हो जाएगा, तुम्हारी ट्रेन मिस हो जाएगी. दूसरी जगह अगर हम कंट्रास्टिंग लेते हैं या चॉइस लेते हैं, यू कैन हैव बनाना और एप्पल. सो दोनों में चॉइस है. सो चॉइस कैन बी गुड एंड बैड, कैन बी गुड एंड गुड. It depends on choice. Now another one, which conjunction we are going to study is because. Because means kyunki, where we have to give the reason. We use because if one sentence says something and the second sentence gives you a reason for it. Harjeet is absent because he has a fever. So I hope till here you have understood. Now we'll go to the next page, which is page number 124, and here certain examples are given where some conjunctions which are given there. And children, we will not go beyond the book. Whatever we have to go to beyond the book, I will let you know. Okay, so here the teacher thinks that Sachin can become a good artist. Here conjunction that is used. जिसको कहते हैं सचिन थिंक्स दैट, वो ये सोचता है कि, एक हम की वर्ड यूज करते हैं हिंदी में. इन इंग्लिश दिस इज दैट. सचिन, द टीचर थिंक्स दैट सचिन कैन बिकम अ गुड आर्टिस्ट. सो दैट इज अ कंजंक्शन. आई हैव हर्ड दैट, अगेन की, द वर्ड की जो हिंदी में यूज करते हैं हम, की. I have heard that the school is closed tomorrow. Juhi was still doing her homework when the lights went out. When का मतलब जब लाइट चली गई. Juhi was still doing her work when the lights went off. जब लाइट चली गई. Now when Reena was going through the book, she came across a beautiful picture. Children, you will come across two different conjunctions which look similar to each other. That is when and while. When is जब एक काम हो गया तो दूसरा काम हुआ. Juhi was still doing her homework when the lights went out. लाइट चली गई, एक काम हो गया. When Reena was going through the book, she came across a beautiful picture. Beautiful picture देख ली, ये काम खत्म हो गया, बुक तो चली रही है. सो दीज आर when is used when out of two works one is complete. But we use while when both the works are going together. I was baking a cake while my mother was cleaning the room. So दोनों काम चल रहे हैं. जब दो काम साइड बाय साइड चल रहे हैं, that time we will use while and not when. I suppose you've understood this. See, my father was watering the plants while my mother was preparing the breakfast. मतलब दोनों काम कर रहे हैं. That is why we will use while and not when. When हम तब यूज करते हैं जब दो में से एक काम फिनिश हो गया. It will no longer be going on. So next we have until. Again we are confused with until and unless. Children, until is used when we have to wait for the perfect time to come, which is not under our control. And unless we use which is under our control. ये काम हम करवा सकते हैं या कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, let's see the examples of until and unless here. Example number 5, 6 and example number 9, 10. After that we'll do 7th and 8th. See, don't get off the train until it has completely stopped. So you have to wait for the time when the train will stop. It's not under your control. So we will write until here. Similarly, don't start moving until the light turns green. आप जाकर तो green नहीं कर सकते. It is not under your control. You have to wait for the perfect time. Time आएगा, अपने आप green होगी, तभी आप चल सकते हो. Now you see the contrasting, that is unless. Sentence number 9. You cannot enter unless you produce your identity card. अब identity card तो आपने ही दिखाना है, condition है ये. आपको टाइम के लिए कोई वेट नहीं करना है. आप जब दिखा दोगे ये आपका, you will be allowed to enter. नेक्स्ट, यू विल नॉट गेट द मनी अनलेस यू साइन दिस लेटर. अब आप पर डिपेंड करता है कि कंडीशन कब फुलफिल होगी. सो यू हैव टू साइन दिस लेटर and then only then you will get the money. I hope you've understood the until and unless difference here. If not, I am producing something for you which will help you. See, difference between unless and until. You can note it down also. See, meaning of unless and until. Unless is, it refers to a precondition, means except if. ये करोगे तो काम हो जाएगा, condition है ये, which you have to fulfill. Until implies up to the point of time, which in the time given, that is before that, उससे पहले पहले ये काम होगा. Implies up to the point or time. ये होगा, ये time आएगा, ये काम होगा, तभी ये काम होगा. So, and second difference is it is part of speech. Unless is a part. Unless is only a conjunction. Until is both conjunction and a preposition. Usage, which I have already told you. Unless is used to tell the only condition in which the event will not occur. And here it is used to highlight the time. Until is used to highlight the time till when the event will not occur. जब तक ये time नहीं आएगा, ये काम नहीं होगा. Example, you will not pass the exam unless you study hard. It's a condition. तुम पढ़ोगे तो पास हो जाओगे. Again, we will wait for Shiny until she arrives. So, आपको तो वेट ही करना पड़ेगा. टाइम आएगा, शाइनी आएगी, तो you will go. Next, I do not pick calls in the office unless it is very important. Depends on you. It's a condition. Continue reading the lesson until you get its essence. Means जब तक तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आता, टाइम आएगा जब तुम्हें समझ में आएगा, तब तक तुम पढ़ते रहो. Next, unless you provide the required documents, the bank is not going to grant you loan. So again the condition which have to be fulfilled by you. It's a, here we use unless. Next, Grace is not in India until June. Time के लिए wait करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें. June तक के लिए you will have to wait. I hope it is understandable to you all. So children, you can take the screenshots and note it down with you for your better understanding. Right? So we move to the next sentence now. That the next conjunction is if. Sentence number 7 and 8. Seventh is, if you take a glass of warm milk, you will feel better. If होती है condition, fulfill हो जाती है. अगर तुम ले लोगे तो तुम्हें ठीक लगेगा. You must take off your shoes if you want to go inside the temple. Temple के अंदर जाना चाहते हो तो condition यही है कि shoes उतार कर जाओ. Next आता है although. Although meaning of although is जबकि. जबकि the blankets were attractive, they were not very warm. Means attractive तो थे, वो warm नहीं थे. For although we have to use a comma before the twist has to come. Although the blankets were attractive, they were not warm. Although he is quite rich, comma, he is leading a simple life. Contrasting होती है, जहाँ पर contrast है. Impossible चीज possible हो रही है. Now, next, we rented this house so that means ताकि we could live near the school. We rented this house, हमने ये घर इसलिए लिया ताकि हम स्कूल के पास रह सकें. Right? We rented this house so that we could live near the school. Mr. Call went to a specialist so that he could get the best possible advice. Right? So that means ताकि. I hope these conjunctions are clear to you, which we have done till now. Now we move to the exercise part, which we have to do. See, Navya was full of confidence when she entered the examination hall. See, examination hall के अंदर आ गई. She was full of confidence. दोनों चीजें complete हैं. Although they offered a handsome discount, the sales did not pick up. See, contrasting है. Handsome discount भी दिया, फिर भी sales अच्छी नहीं हुई. If the fuel prices go up further, it will be difficult to keep a car. You have to underline the conjunctions or they have already been underlined. Pallavi promised that she would clean up her room in the evening. I shall not attend his brother's wedding unless he invites me again. The condition is to be fulfilled and it is under your control. आपका friend आपको invite करेगा तो आप चले जाओगे. Right? So we left early so that we might not get caught in a traffic jam. ताकि be punctual or you will be fined. या तो punctual हो जाओ या फिर fine दे दो. Choice है. The plants dried up because nobody watered them regularly. It was the last day of the school and the children were excited. We cannot start this project until we get approval from the principal. You have to wait for the time when principal will approve it. Only then you will be able to start the project. Although very few children were present, फिर भी the teacher did not cancel the test. Impossible को possible कर दिया. जो आप सोच रहे जो सोच रहे हो नहीं हो सकता वो भी हो गया. They have used although. She is slow, but she does not make mistakes. Slow है लेकिन mistakes नहीं करती. Now move to the next page. See. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Select your conjunctions from the ones given below. Use one conjunction only once. So you have to think wisely. I pray that you may live long. We will not buy the house unless it is new. Condition is it is to be fulfilled by you. आप decision लोगे. आपको किसी time पर wait नहीं करना. You have to take the decision. If you go to a zoo, you can see many kinds of birds and animals there. They made him the captain of the team, although he was very young. Young था, लेकिन फिर भी ले लिया उसको. Chetan was tired and hungry. Chetan was tired, but he continued his work. Chetan was tired because he had continuously worked for 3 hours. Chetan continued working until he was asked to stop. कोई दूसरा कहेगा तो वो बंद करेगा. He has to wait for the time. When the clock struck 12, Chetan stopped working. Chetan continued to work so that he might go home early. Now here you have to fill the blanks with suitable conjunctions of your choice. Napoleon returned to France after he had conquered Italy, Egypt and other countries. After means बाद में, करने के बाद में. People gave him a spectacular welcome when he went, जब वो गया था. One day, a large crowd gathered outside his palace to meet him. As his eyes roved over the large crowd, as means जैसे ही, उसने देखा, he saw an old lady with a glass and a bottle of goat milk in her hands. Napoleon recalled that she was Camilla Larry, his nurse during his student days. He welcomed her with great affection and told the crowd that she was his second mother, who had brought him up with great love and care. Who क्या मतलब? जिसने या Napoleon felt so grateful to her that he granted her pension for life. Still, in this way, you have to choose, you have to decide which conjunction you have to use. Still, I'll give you certain different conjunctions also, which you will do yourself, which you can understand and do them yourself. So children, make a note of conjunctions I'm giving you, which we have to go beyond the book. Note down, listen and note down. That is and, but, or, because, so, that, and so that together also, when, until, if, unless, although, so that I have told you. Now, the ones which are not in your book, that is both and. Both hyphen and. Both and hyphen and, I'll give you the explanation for this separately. The other one is not only hyphen but also. You have done them in class 4 also, children. Not only hyphen but also. The other one while, I have already explained you. Then is neither nor. Neither nor, and the other one is either or. I'll send you the PDFs for this, and then we will discuss them in our Zoom class also. I'll make you clear how to use both and, how to use not only but also, how to use neither nor, and how to use either or. If you want to be discussed on YouTube, I'll again send you one video and they will be discussed on YouTube also. So goodbye children. Have a nice day.